Maybe the pot of gold's in the brewery.
The pot of gold is the brewery.
Hey guys, welcome back to our Brewery Farm Life. I feel pretty bad because you guys have missed all of summer here. I haven't done a single video, and the reason for that is because, well, there just wasn't any time. And I think that's become kind of a highlight in my life. There's just no time. Which I think is pretty normal for when you're trying to run a farm, run a brewery, and do the 500 bazillion other things that we try and accomplish in a day. But so much happened. So I'm going to take it back to probably June, July, and we'll do kind of just a run of summer for this video. So stay tuned because it was pretty fun. So we're a little bit behind again on stringing hops, but that's okay because Jen's doing an amazing job at managing the hop yard and making us stay on track somewhat. If you've ever wondered what kind of goes into this, it is a very manual job. Like, there's not machinery that can go down each row and stick these twines in and train the hops. So you have to do that all by hand. Lots of people come and approach us about growing a hop yard. That's the first thing I warn them of, is that it is manual labor, 100%. But anyway, so what Jen's doing over here is she's up there stringing the tying knots at the top and letting the strings go down. All right. Here we go. Strung so far. 2 straight. What I'm doing is taking these lines, they're called choir twine, which is actually made, I believe, in Sri Lanka, and it's made out of coconut husk, so it's 100% biodegradable, compostable. And we have these poles, and at the end of the pole we put in what they call a W clip. So the pole looks like this. These are really bad videoing. And you take the W clip, you wrap it around string, and I'm probably going to fail at this because you can't really do this one-handedly, and it gets punched into the ground like so. There you go. And from there, the hop gets trained around it like so. So we grab the hop, which is right now tangled in between itself. And it gets trained. I'll just get these guys separated clockwise around. Let go little guy. Around the string like this. And I broke that one, so that one's no good anymore, so I'll have to train a few more, but that's the general gist of it. Now, hop plants have they're almost like little tiny teeth, and I don't know if I can zoom in enough for you to see. Yeah, so there's little tiny grippers on all of them, and they act as like teeth to climb the whatever they want to climb. And there you go, and that's basically training a hop. Now, this is the very beginning of it. They will grow up to the top of these poles here. Whoop. And, or well, the wires that are there, they'll grow up to the top of those. And then from there, we'll harvest them in the fall. So Jen will be in charge of kind of maintaining the hop yard, making sure the weeds are kept under control. We will put the sheep in, but not until they're about, well, they're already about waist high, so we're good to go now. And the sheep will just kind of keep the weeds down. That's kind of the plan. And the bugs under control. But yeah, that's stringing a hop yard. What are you doing? You having a nap in my wheelbarrow? I'm gonna need that soon. Just an FYI. At the beginning of the year, we had Phil and Jesse come. Phil owns Jobsite Brewing in Stratford. If you've never been, you need to go. It's amazing. The pizza is delicious. The beer is phenomenal. And Phil himself is a riot. Anyway, they came and we did a collaboration beer here at the brewery. It was a lot of fun. So Phil and Jesse came here to brew one day. David went there to brew one day. And they created a really amazing beer. And it sold out just like that. So we'll have to do that again. Hello? Hi. Hard at work or hardly working?
Hard at work. You know that's why I put the birds down. We were engineering the hammer.
Yeah, it's really important.
What are you doing? Speaking of, yeah, making fools of us.
Yes, that's my job. Hey, time. Loading hay bales on hay wagons after working for 10 hours in the brewery. But at least it's pretty. Last bale's on, and it's not even dark. That's a win. Hi, baby. Hi, Lorenzo. Come here, buddy. What are you doing? Are you hot? You are hot. You're panting like crazy. You don't pee in it? Probably not. It's like kids playing in the creek.
Yes.
Yeah. Mama left her nest for just, oh, nice hair, Nikki. Mama left her nest for just like 2 seconds. Before she attacks us, we're gonna just check. Hi, baby duck. Oh, I moved my foot. She has another one underneath her too.
My road, it's my road, it's my road. It's my road, it's my road, it's my road, it's my road. It's my walk, it's my walk, it's my walk, it's my walk. His eyes are open, his eyes are open. Give it up for Colin.
Have I shown you? Have I shown you? Have I shown you the pieces of my broken heart? I'm sure you'd see it right from the start. But despite what I said, I'm really haven't fallen apart.
River Road's new delivery vehicle. $15 flat rate shipping no longer cuts it.
No, David. So earlier today, we weaned some sheep. Late, yes. Probably late by about a month. So loud. Feel so bad for the babies. So the mums are in here. And it's also supper time. So loud as can be. Hi everybody. And the babies are all out here for a few different reasons. One, because David said so. Two, because they do actually fit in the little shed a little bit better because they're still small. And three, people like to see the babies. They don't really care about the moms. Well, I'm sure they care a little bit, but they more or less wanted to see the babies. So they're outside when the moms are inside for now. So the whole reason we have sheep is to weed the hop yard. So they'll go back out to the hop yard. I think actually we're going to try and fence the hop yard in. Maybe not this year, maybe next year, but we'll do some this year and then put all the sheep out there. And then they can keep all the weeds and grass under control out there. That's the whole reason we have sheep. Yeah. What are you doing, Kevin? Just hanging out in the barn? Is this where you belong? Do you belong in the barn? Not in my house? Is this your favorite spot? Kevin. That's it? That's all? You can look at me, but you cannot touch me. Bye. Betty! You're ignoring me. Betty! Come on, you. Let's go. This way. I'm pretty sure this isn't where you belong. Huh? Come on, Betty, let's go. Come on, Bug. You can catch me at my best. Where?
On the side of this bale.
On the side of what bale?
That one.
Awesome. I don't like spiders. Good mama. You're such a good mama. Once again, guys, thanks for joining us. We love that you enjoy so much watching what's going on the farm and in the brewery and in our lives in general. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure to share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe. That's the most important part. Thanks again for watching. Cheers. We'll see you soon.
Or you're gonna grow up and turn into turn into serenity.
Hi, Roscoe.